Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In this video, we can discuss about a natural immunity boosting drink which will help us to protect against infectious diseases, especially like corona. The first ingredient in this drink is Jeera or cumin seed. It acts as an antioxidant. Jeera has the ability to boost immunity. It can also cure bronchitis and asthma. Second ingredient in this drink is Tulsi leaves. As we all know, Tulsi can boost immunity, heals infections and purifies the blood. Tulsi also has the capacity to treat respiratory disorders. The third ingredient of this drink is black pepper. Black pepper is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Black pepper have the ability to control blood sugar levels and lower the cholesterol levels. Next ingredient of this drink is coriander seeds or dhania. Coriander seeds are rich in immune boosting antioxidants. It can promote digestion and ability to fight against infections. Another ingredient of this drink is nothing but garlic. Garlic contains more antioxidants. It may help to regulate blood sugar levels. Garlic has the amazing ability to reduce the risk of heart disease. It has anti-cancer properties and can help to protect your liver. The next main ingredient of this drink is turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant. Turmeric has the amazing ability to fight against all types of inflammations and infections. The curcumin in turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory properties that block the action of inflammatory molecules in the body. The another important ingredient of this drink is ginger. Ginger has antibacterial properties. People have used ginger in cooking and medicine since ancient times. It is a popular home remedy for nausea, stomach pain and other infections. Ginger have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antiviral properties. Next ingredient is cinnamon or dalchini. Cinnamon is famous for its antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. It contains antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon can reduce blood pressure, lower blood sugar levels and risk of type 2 diabetes. It can also relieve digestive discomfort. Another main ingredient of this drink is Ajwain. Many of the essential oils in Ajwain, especially thymol and carvacrol, can help to fight the growth of bacteria, virus and fungi. They may also help to fight bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, which can lead to food poisoning and other stomach issues. Ajwain can give relief from cough. Another ingredient of this drink is nothing but lemon. As we all know, lemon is rich in vitamin C and can help to build your immunity to fight against the infectious diseases. In this COVID-19 pandemic, people are looking towards easy and homemade immunity boosters. Final ingredient of this immunity boosting drink is honey. Preparation of this immunity boosting drink is very easy. First of all, crush all the ingredients, that is Jeera, Tulsi, black pepper, coriander seeds, ginger, garlic, turmeric, cinnamon and Ajwain and keep aside. Boil 2 liters of water and add all crushed ingredients in it. Let it boil for 20 minutes in low flame. Sieve it in a glass and add half lemon juice and half teaspoon honey and drink warm. Hope you all got some basic information about the immunity boosting drink from my video. If you feel it was informative, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day. Stay home, stay safe.